Today I'm going to show you how to find the master M3U8 playlist file or index.m3u8 playlist file of HTTP live streaming on your browser. Okay, so this M3U8 playlist file is the main file from which the video is actually played. Let's see how we can find the URL of the encrypted HLS video on a browser. So here I'm on Chrome. So first of all, you have to go to the streaming site and open a video, and then go to the here I'm using Chrome. So for Chrome, I have to go to More Tool and click on Developer Tools, or I can use a shortcut which is Control Shift and I on Windows. So I'm clicking on this Developer Tools, and then this page will show up. Here, after opening this Developer Tool, I have to go to the Network tab. Here you will see multiple tabs. First one is Element, Console Sources. I have to go to the Network tab, and I have to check Preserve Log, and here I can clear all the things now. After checking the preserve log, refresh the page which have a video on. So here in this page, I have a video which is encoded in HLS. So in this page, the video is playing. If I refresh the page and play the video once again, then everything will be recorded since I have checked the preserve log. Now the main thing, which is I have to filter here with M3U8, which is the playlist file for HLS streaming. So here, after filtering with M3U8, I can see that few M3U8 playlist file showed up on this page. Here I have to find something called index.m3u8 or master.m3u8 or something similar like 1080p, 4K, 720p, etc. So here, this is the main index file as I can see from the result. So if I go to this page, I can find the full request URL. Okay, so if I copy this page, then this is the main HLS streaming URL, which I can use with FFmpeg to do any further thing like downloading the file or anything. So this is how you can find the M3U8 playlist file from your browser's network tab. Here I can see that there are many mono.m3u8 playlist file is present. This file is the playlist file for this 480p which is currently being played. So this is a file for current streaming. Here what the index.m3u8 video does is it first requests for all the available format, and based on the speed of your internet, the player in your browser automatically select which format to play. Okay, so here in my case 480p is preferred, and this file is fetching the data to play. So you can also find .ts means transport stream, which is actually the raw video file. Okay guys, this is how to find the playlist file of HLS on Developer Tool under Network tab, filtering by M3U8. Thanks for watching.